10 incredible tactical military gadgets on Amazon. You should have insane tactical military gear. When it comes to tactical gear, having the right equipment can make a huge difference whether you're camping, hiking, hunting, preparing for emergencies, or simply upgrading your everyday carry setup. Modern tactical gadgets are becoming smarter, tougher, and more versatile than ever before. From military-inspired flashlights and survival tools to advanced backpacks and cutting-edge communication devices, today's gear is designed to help you stay prepared for almost any situation. Number 10. Tactical pen. At first glance, it looks like a regular writing pen. However, hidden beneath its simple appearance is a rugged, multi-purpose survival tool designed for emergency situations. Most tactical pens are constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum or military-grade steel, making them extremely durable and resistant to damage. One of the most important features is the hardened glass breaker tip. In an emergency, such as a vehicle accident, this tip can shatter side windows, potentially helping occupants escape quickly. Many tactical pens also include additional features such as screwdrivers, bottle openers, fire starters, rulers, and self-defense capabilities. Unlike larger survival tools, a tactical pen can be carried almost anywhere. It fits easily into pockets, backpacks, glove compartments, and office bags without attracting attention. This makes it ideal for everyday carry enthusiasts who value preparedness without carrying bulky equipment. The writing capability itself is often surprisingly good. Most tactical pens use standard ink cartridges, ensuring reliable performance whenever you need to take notes, sign documents, or mark maps during outdoor activities. For such a compact tool, the tactical pen offers an incredible combination of practicality, durability, and emergency readiness. Number 9. Military tactical gloves. Hand injuries can instantly ruin an outdoor adventure or mission. That's why professional military personnel, law enforcement officers, and outdoor enthusiasts rely on high-quality tactical gloves. These gloves provide protection from cuts, abrasions, impacts, and harsh weather conditions while maintaining excellent dexterity. Modern designs feature reinforced knuckle guards, durable synthetic leather palms, breathable materials, and touchscreen-compatible fingertips. Whether you're handling tools, operating equipment, riding motorcycles, climbing rough terrain, or participating in shooting sports, tactical gloves provide superior grip and protection. Many models incorporate anti-slip palm textures that improve weapon control and equipment handling in wet conditions. The reinforced stitching and heavy-duty construction ensure long-term durability even during demanding use. Another major advantage is comfort. Advanced tactical gloves are designed to fit snugly while allowing full finger movement. This makes them suitable for extended wear during long hikes, training sessions, or outdoor work. For anyone who values hand protection without sacrificing mobility, military tactical gloves are an essential addition to any tactical gear collection. Number 8. Tactical survival shovel. This is far more than a simple digging tool. Modern survival shovels have evolved into highly versatile multi-tools capable of performing dozens of functions. Most tactical shovels feature collapsible designs that make them easy to transport. Despite their compact size, they can handle digging, chopping, sawing, hammering, prying, and trenching operations. Many models include interchangeable attachments such as axes, knives, saw blades, fire starters, whistles, screwdrivers, and emergency glass breakers. This transforms a single tool into a complete survival system. Outdoor adventurers appreciate the shovel's ability to clear campsites, build fire pits, remove obstacles, and create emergency shelters. Vehicle owners often keep them in their trunks for recovery situations involving snow, mud, or sand. The military-style construction usually features hardened steel components designed to withstand extreme abuse. Unlike standard camping shovels, tactical survival shovels are built to survive harsh conditions and heavy workloads. If you're looking for a compact tool capable of solving numerous outdoor challenges, the tactical survival shovel deserves serious consideration. Number 7. Tactical headlamp. Lighting is one of the most important elements of preparedness. While handheld flashlights are useful, a tactical headlamp provides hands-free illumination that dramatically improves efficiency. Modern tactical headlamps use powerful LED technology capable of producing hundreds or even thousands of lumens. This allows users to navigate trails, perform repairs, set up camps, or conduct search operations in complete darkness. Most models offer multiple lighting modes, including high beam, low beam, red light, strobe, and emergency signaling functions. The red light mode is especially useful for preserving night vision during tactical operations or camping trips. Durability is another major strength. Tactical headlamps are often waterproof, shock-resistant, and designed to withstand extreme temperatures. Adjustable straps ensure a secure fit during vigorous activities. Rechargeable batteries provide extended runtime while reducing the need for disposable batteries. Some advanced models even support USB charging through power banks, solar panels, or vehicle charging systems. Whether you're preparing for emergencies or exploring the outdoors, a tactical headlamp can become one of the most frequently used items in your gear collection. Number 6. Tactical backpack. Every serious gear enthusiast understands the importance of a reliable backpack. Tactical backpacks are designed to carry equipment efficiently while surviving tough environments. Unlike ordinary backpacks, tactical models feature military-inspired maul webbing systems that allow users to attach additional pouches, tools, and accessories. This customization capability enables users to configure their loadouts according to specific missions or activities. High-quality tactical backpacks use water-resistant materials, reinforced stitching, heavy-duty zippers, and ergonomic shoulder straps. These features ensure durability and comfort during extended use. Multiple compartments help organize gear efficiently. Medical supplies, communication devices, hydration systems, survival tools, electronics, and clothing can all be stored in designated areas for quick access. Many tactical backpacks also include concealed compartments for sensitive equipment, hydration bladder compatibility, and compression straps that improve stability during movement. Whether you're building a bug-out bag, preparing for travel, or organizing outdoor equipment, a tactical backpack serves as the foundation of a complete preparedness system. Number 5. Tactical flashlight. Tactical flashlights have become significantly more advanced in recent years. Some compact models now produce brightness levels that rival vehicle headlights. These flashlights are engineered for reliability in critical situations. Aircraft-grade aluminum construction, waterproof seals, impact resistance, and high-performance LEDs make them suitable for demanding environments. Many tactical flashlights offer adjustable beam patterns, allowing users to switch between wide-area illumination and long-distance spotlight modes. This flexibility makes them useful for navigation, search operations, security tasks, and emergency situations. Some models include defensive strobe modes designed to temporarily disorient threats. Others feature emergency signaling capabilities that can help attract attention during rescue situations. Rechargeable battery systems provide extended runtimes while reducing operating costs. Premium models may include battery level indicators, magnetic charging systems, and programmable brightness settings. For anyone serious about preparedness, a quality tactical flashlight remains one of the most important tools they can own. Number 4. Portable solar power bank. Modern survival and communication equipment depend heavily on electricity. Smartphones, GPS units, radios, flashlights, and emergency devices all require power to function. A portable solar power bank helps solve this challenge by combining battery storage with renewable charging capability. These devices store energy that can be used to recharge electronics whenever traditional power sources are unavailable. Many tactical models feature rugged waterproof construction, dust resistance, shock protection, and integrated LED emergency lights. Some include compass functions and carabiner attachment points for convenient transport. High-capacity power banks can recharge smartphones multiple times before requiring replenishment. Solar charging adds an extra layer of resilience during extended outdoor trips or emergency situations. For campers, hikers, emergency preppers, and travelers, portable solar power banks provide valuable peace of mind by keeping essential electronics operational when they're needed most. Number 3. Tactical communication radio. Reliable communication can be critical during emergencies, outdoor adventures, and coordinated activities. Tactical radios provide dependable communication when cellular networks become unavailable or overloaded. Most handheld tactical radios offer impressive range, multiple channels, weather alerts, emergency features, and durable construction. They are commonly used by security personnel, emergency responders, outdoor groups, and preparedness enthusiasts. Many models support hands-free accessories, rechargeable battery systems, and programmable frequency settings. Weather-resistant designs ensure operation during rain, snow, and harsh environmental conditions. Unlike smartphones, tactical radios can function independently of cellular infrastructure. This makes them extremely valuable during disasters, remote expeditions, and emergency preparedness scenarios. Having a dependable communication system can significantly improve safety and coordination when operating in challenging environments. Number 2. Tactical Survival Watch. Today's tactical watches are much more than simple timepieces. They serve as wearable survival computers packed with useful features. Advanced models often include GPS navigation, altimeters, barometers, compasses, weather monitoring systems, heart rate sensors, and fitness tracking capabilities. Some even offer solar charging technology for extended field use. The rugged construction is specifically designed to survive impacts, water exposure, extreme temperatures, and demanding outdoor conditions. Military personnel, adventurers, and first responders frequently rely on these watches for critical information. Navigation features can help users maintain awareness of their location, while weather monitoring capabilities provide early warning of changing conditions. For those seeking a compact device that delivers valuable situational awareness and survival information, a tactical survival watch is an outstanding investment. Number 1. Thermal imaging monocular. This technology once belonged exclusively to military organizations and specialized professionals. Today, compact thermal imaging devices have become increasingly accessible to civilian users. Unlike traditional optics, thermal monoculars detect heat signatures rather than visible light. This allows users to identify people, animals, vehicles, and objects even in complete darkness, fog, smoke, or dense vegetation. The tactical advantages are extraordinary. Search and rescue teams can locate missing individuals more effectively. Hunters can identify wildlife at night. Security personnel can monitor large areas with improved situational awareness. Many modern thermal monoculars include image recording, digital zoom, wireless connectivity, and long battery life. Despite their advanced capabilities, many are compact enough to fit into a pocket or small gear pouch. The ability to see heat signatures in challenging environments makes thermal imaging one of the most impressive technologies available to outdoor enthusiasts and preparedness-minded individuals. For sheer innovation and capability, the thermal imaging monocular easily earns our number 1 position. Those were 10 incredible tactical military gadgets available on Amazon that can enhance preparedness, outdoor performance, and everyday readiness. From compact tactical pens and powerful flashlights to advanced communication systems and thermal imaging technology, these tools demonstrate just how far tactical gear has evolved.